Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. In this video, we are going to discuss here digital signatures. What are digital signatures, how they work, and that's it. So let's begin with our topic without wasting more time. A digital signature is a cryptographic mechanism used to three main points I will clear you: verify the identity of the sender, ensure message integrity, prevent repudiation. Digital signatures are the digital equivalent of hard written signatures, but far more secure. Now, that's understanding these digital signatures. I told you identity verification, message integrity, and prevention of repudiation. What does that mean? Prevent the sender from denying the message. Ensuring message has not been altered, that is called message integrity. Verification, confirms the sender's identity. Why digital signatures are needed? First point is authentication, second is integrity, third one is non-repudiation. So simple. As we have discussed, what does the authentication mean, integrity mean, non-repudiation mean. So now, how digital signatures function? First one is hash functions. They use hash functions, asymmetric encryption. How these workers? First, I hope you know the hash functions, asymmetric encryption. Now, how these workers? Sender hashes the message, sender encrypts the hash with private key, that's called digital signature. Then receiver decrypts the signature using sender's public key. Receiver hashes message again. If both hash messages match, signature is valid. As so simple. Now, what are the components of the digital signatures? First one, private key, public key, hash algorithm, signature algorithm. Private key is impolite solely by the sender for signing message. That's public key, or say in simple words, used by receiver to verify. That is public key. Private key is used by the sender to sign. Hash algorithm generates a message digest, that's called hash, with options like SHA-256, what algorithm you are using there. Signature algorithm creates a signature like RSA, DSA, so on and so on. Then what are the digital signatures algorithm? RSA, EDSA, DSA, ECDSA. We have seen these in previous videos. So let's move in next. Application of digital signatures. Where it's used: email security, software distribution, SSL, TSL certificates, secure web using through HTTPS, document signing, blockchain and cryptocurrency. These are the main applications of digital signatures. Threats and weakness in the digital signatures. What is that? Private key compromise. If private key is stolen, the digital signature can be forget. It's useless. Weak hash functions. Poor key management. These are the three threats, weakness for digital signatures. What is the difference between digital signature versus electronic signature? Digital signatures and electronic signatures serve as different functions in digital communication. Understanding the distinctions such as security levels, verification, legal, so on. Now, let me clear you with this. Based on features. For example, electronic signature, user input is there, digital signature, it works for cryptography. Electronic signature has low security, while as digital signatures have high. Verification, sometimes verification setup is needed in electronic signature, but digital signature, it's always there. Legal validity, electronic signatures have medium type of legal validity, but in digital signatures, it has a high in various countries. Now, let's summarize this video. Digital signatures provide authentication, integration, and non-repudiation. Algorithms, we said there, RSA, DSA, and what are the applications we saw there? SSL, email, software. The main thing here is private key security is extremely important. I hope it's clear now. If you learn something new, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment sections. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.